Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. We've got another huge unboxing for you guys today. I'm saying huge because these are kind of very big blaster boxes we have here. So what we got here today for our opening are two NBA hoops, 88 card blaster boxes from 2021, 2022. And these are the holiday edition or the winter edition cards, which are really awesome. I saw some unboxings of these, thought it was really cool. So thought we could maybe take a stab at them and see what we get. Looking for Blaster exclusive rookie sweater inserts, which are really cool. So excited to see what we get inside here. I know we got the holidays coming up, so probably a little sneak peek for that. Let's just get started. I won't mess around too much. We'll just go ahead and get right into the video. Readjust in here. Take a peek inside. Here we go. Second, how many packs we got here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Yeah, 11 packs, 8 cards each. Not too bad. I'm pretty happy with that. You know what? We'll just go ahead and open the second one too. That way we got both packs open. I mean, both boxes, I mean. That way this opening can go super smooth. Get straight to the action. Take a peek inside there. Curious to see what we pull from these. Alrighty. Get these flipped around. And we'll start with the right. Alright, let's see what we get here. Alright, this is kind of cool. We get these little winter snowflakes and stuff like that. Holiday snowflakes going around. Jeremy Grant to start off. DJ, DeAndre Jordan. And I think we get a memorabilia card or an autograph in each of these boxes. So should be expecting 2 of those. Goran Dragic. This is Dylan Brooks. Oh shoot, we skipped over a card here. That's what I thought. So here we go. Yeah, Goran Dragic. And we have Bam Adebayo, frequent flyers. Holiday edition though. That's kind of cool. Might set that aside. Who knows? Dylan Brooks, Will Barton, Yusuf Nurkic, and McCall Bridges. Nothing too crazy in that pack. One insert. Here we got Donovan Mitchell, Devontae Graham, Klay Thompson. Ooh, Davion Mitchell, rookie card. Good to see. And Skyview inserts. Devin Booker. Jaden McDaniels. Spencer Dinwiddie. And Bojan Bogdanovic. 1 second, folks. Alright, let's continue. Just adjusting the camera there for a second. Seems like a thick pack. I don't know why I thought something else was in there. Yeah, Luka Doncic. These are similar, these are basically from the same fat packs and other blaster boxes we've opened before, just these are the winter edition, so that's why they look familiar. Kendrick Nunn. Tristan Thompson. What do we get here? Ooh, a little hollow. Oh, let's go. That's what I'm talking about. Nice. Nice crisp corners on this one, too. You get a lights, camera, action hollow of LeBron James. Sweet little addition here. Just grabbing my sleeves. Getting this one ready for this one. Nice, sweet little pull there. Have been a while since we pulled a nice LeBron James card. Awesome addition. We get here Thaddeus Young, Kyle Lowry, PJ Washington Jr., and Bogdan Bogdanovic. Yeah, Jason Tatum. I do notice that difference is it's like gold lettering rather than silver lettering, so these are really cool. Yeah, Jason Tatum, Ricky Rubio, Damian Lillard, James Bouknight rookie card, nice. Ooh, what is this? Nice little insert, class of 2021 Zaire Williams rookie card. I'll take that. Some John Morant action here. Michael Porter Jr., Derek Jones Jr. Oh, this one feels chunky. I've been saying that about a lot of them, but this one feels really chunky. All right. We get here. We get in Jonas Valanciunas. Sorry, just making sure there's nothing sticking. Shai Gilgeous. What is that? Okay. Ooh, we got something cool there. Shai Gilgeous Alexander, and bam! What is this? Trey Murphy III patch? Ooh, nice. Oh, we did. We pulled it. We got one of those rookie sweaters. And this is in great condition, too. Look at this. It's not, none of the tuft is sticking out or anything. Because usually, like, I've seen on some videos, like, sweaters, like, popping out and, like, all destroyed and all over the place. So this is really sweet to see. That's, like, nice, pristine condition. Nice pull. This is our, we actually got the super rare card. I was hoping for an auto, but I'll take this, too. Awesome. Throw up the value once I figure out what that's worth. We get a lights, camera, action, Russell Westbrook, Kemba Walker, Malik Beasley, Montrezl Harrell, and Rudy Gobert. We get LaMelo Ball, Isaiah Stewart, Chris Boucher. So 2 hits so far, it's pretty good. 1 Toscano Anderson, nice rookie card. So that aside. Dennis Schroeder. We got Devin Vassell, Victor Oladipo, and Miles Bridges. These are on sale like around $35, which is not bad because I normally these run like 60. So it's like basically half off on David Adams. RJ Hampton. I always wonder if they're sticking something in there. Get our muse back in order. Russell Westbrook. Harrison Barnes. Ooh, some pure players. Donovan Mitchell, not Davion Mitchell. And who else we got here? Clint Capella, Patrick Beverly, Jamal Murray, and DeMar DeRozan. It's very different from opening these like blaster boxes in comparison to the fat packs. I'm so used to getting like a teal explosion or something every single pack, or like nice inserts, even like a purple too. Dennis Schroeder, Chetty Osman, Jayshawn Tate. Ooh, all right. So we get some. Oh, let's go. We pulled something. Ooh, nice. Winter edition too. Isaiah Jackson rookie card. Nice. NBA Hoops Slam. Yeah, to get that Slam magazine cover of Luka Doncic. I was hoping to pull this. I was thinking we were going to pull it from one of the retail boxes, but cool to see it is in one of the blasters. So 3 hits in this box. 3 big hits too. These are great. Don't have him yet for the magazine covers, so that's awesome. Got Evan Fournier, D'Angelo Russell, and Kentavious Caldwell-Pope. The hope is that with a lot of these disappearing, they're offloading everything, these cards will become rarer and rarer, which I know they are for a lot of the ones we do pull, which is great to see. Garrett Lewis Jr., so raising value for everything, even some of like the base inserts too. Alexej Pokusevsky, making sure that's not a double up. Yeah, it's not. Garrett Lewis Jr. Yeah, CP3 here, Robert Covington, Jake Crowder, Lonnie Walker the fourth, Tyler Hero, and Robert Covington. Bigger, definitely way bigger hits than what you get in a fat pack, but less hits in between is that's what I'm guessing here, which is not a bad trade-off, to be honest, because you don't really, I mean, some of the blue teal lasers, I mean, blue teal explosions will be pulling from the fat packs. Not really worth that much, except those like color match jerseys like that Terry Rozier we pulled in the last videos. Josh Jackson. We got here Tobias Harris. Let's make sure there's nothing there. Yep. Very even. Got Cole Anthony. We get here, oh, Trey Murphy, the third rookie card to go along with our patch. Nice. What else we got here? Colin Sexton, lights, camera, action. This reminds me of the franchise features for the Don Russ cards. Very similar. That's all I'll say on that. It's kind of cool. System overlap. Kevin Porter. You got Aquaman, Steven Adams here. And Justin Holiday. One last pack. And we'll move on to the second box. All right. Carmelo Anthony has LaMelo Jello. De'Aaron Fox. Enes Kanter. What do we get here for our insert? Enes Kanter. Keon Johnson for our rookie card, arriving now. We got Zach LaVine. Julius Randle. Kawhi Leonard, and Kyle Kuzma. Nice fat stack of base cards. All right, let's move on to the second stack. All right, second box. Let's get it started. Finally, it's opening. I don't know why that felt so chunky. The pack, I mean, Damian Lillard, Jonas Valanciunas, Shai Gilgeous-Alexander. Got a rookie card here. What is this? Brandon Boston Jr. No Cade Cunningham yet, so kind of surprised at that. Brandon Boston Jr. Trey Mann arriving now, rookie card, nice. Get Bam Adebayo, Norman Powell, and Kyle Anderson, a little bit of slow-mo. LaMelo Ball. Isaiah Stewart, Chris Boucher. Who do we get here? Ooh, another slam cover. Chris Boucher, and who do we get? Oh, let's go. We got Allen Iverson, Ray Allen. I haven't seen this one yet. Dang, that's cool. Nice and crisp, too. I will take that. And get another sleeve for this one out. Dang, that was a sweet cover. Nice hit on this one. Not even the memorabilia card yet. Or auto. Monte Morris, Karis LeVert, Kobe White, and Mitchell Robinson. Nice. Get our Muse back in order. Here we go. Theo Maledon, Jaylen Brown, LeBron James. And next we get here Denny Avdija. We got Miles Bridges, Clint Capella, Pat Beverly, followed by Jamal Murray. No hits there besides just our Slam magazine, which I'm completely fine with. That was a great pull. Be nice to pull a little bit more of those. All right, Wendell Carter Jr., Sadiq Bey, Joe Harris, a little rookie card, Herbert Jones. Rookies aren't guaranteed every pack I'm feeling. I don't think so. Herbert Jones, Lights Camera Action, Kevin Durant, nice. Wish it was a holo, but I'll take that. DeMar DeRozan, Evan Fournier, and D'Angelo Russell. Just chicken thickness. I always feel like there's a sweater card. Fred VanVleet, Bobby Portis. Here we go. Andre Drummond. Ooh, nice little insert here. Class of 2021 Joshua Primo. Nice for our rookie stack. Got Kentavious Caldwell Pope, Jay Crowder, Lonnie Walker IV, and Tyler Hero. We got Steph, Stephen Curry, Dorian Finney-Smith, Heinrich Williams. Get Jalen Green for our rookie here. Ooh, looks like we get another Slam magazine cover. Jalen Green. Ooh. Oh, Shaq. Let's go. Magic Shaq, too. Dang, 2 magazine covers. This is a good box. Let's go. Winter edition, too. The Shaq Daddy. Talking Rock with Shaq Daddy. Hang Time. Dang, that's a cool cover. I like that. Robert Covington. Kevin Porter. Dang, bigger hits than this box than the last one, I feel like, so far. Alright, who we get here? Kenyon Martin Jr., Anthony Davis, Markelle Fultz. Always pull this card somehow. Donovan Mitchell, Skyview. Pulled a holo too before, so it's good to know that. Justin Holiday, Zach LaVine, Julius Randle, Kawhi Leonard. Let's keep it going. I feel like hits are few and far between, not necessarily, but just few in these openings. But Jeremy Grant, way better than just getting a lot of like so-so hits. A little bit of great hits is like really good. DeAndre Jordan, Goran Dragic. We get here. Just another Slam magazine cover. Oh dang, no. Usman Garuba rookie, and then Pure Players KD. Kyle Kuzma, Jalen Smith, and Jacob Poeltl. Oh, this is a chunky one. I think there's a sweater card in here, or a jersey patch or something. Will be icing on the cake from the pulls we've gotten so far. Okay, we get Donovan Mitchell, Devontae Graham. Who we get here? Corey Kispert. Dang, I wanted a Cade Cunningham. That's okay. That is fine by me. What do we got here? Ooh, it's all snug too. Nothing popping out. This one's even better condition than the last one. Corey Kispert, rookie sweaters, NBA hoops. I'll take that. Rookie is a rookie card. And we've got some great pulls already. I'm happy with that. I'll throw up the value of what this is worth. So cool to see we pulled that. Still got a lot more to go, a little bit more. Joel Embiid, Lights Camera Action. We've got Duncan Robinson, CJ McCollum, Trey Young, and Paul Millsap. Probably should get some top loaders for those thick jersey cards. Get them protected. Get Klay Thompson, another Luka Doncic, Kendrick Nunn. Who is this? Jalen Johnson rookie card. Ooh, LeBron James Skyview. I don't think we pulled something like that yet. That's cool. Miles Turner, Nikola Vucevic, and RJ Barrett. Ooh, didn't mean to knock the Muse over. Alrighty. Let's see what we got here. Tristan Thompson, Jason Tatum, Ricky Rubio, Pure Players. Ooh, this is a holo. Pure Players Giannis holo. Look at that. Dang, alright. Wasn't expecting much, but still got some, right? Last pack of juice. Pure Players Giannis Antetokounmpo holo. Nice. And to continue, Paul George, Davis Bertans, Anthony Edwards, Keldon Johnson. Overall, that's not bad. We got our little rookie stack here of what we pulled. Nothing crazy. No Cade Cunningham, surprisingly enough. Got some nice little inserts here and there. Arriving now. Nothing too crazy. Desire Williams is interesting though. Wish it was a holo. Pulled one Davion Mitchell. And inserts went okay too. Might save this LeBron card. KD, Donovan, KD again, Colin Sexton, Donovan again, Russell Westbrook, Devin Booker, and some Bam Adebayo frequent flyers. But for the hits, dang, we definitely got a lot of hits this time. Dang, keep knocking them over. That was not part of it. Okay. Yeah, for our first hit, we got this like nice little reflective LeBron James. Lights, Camera, Action. That's cool. Then we ended on this like little Giannis reflective Pure Players. Nice little pull. Two of the ultra rare sweater rookies, which is nice. Corey Kispert for the Washington Wizards. Nice and pristine. Slam cover of Shaq. Slam cover of Ray Allen. Nice. And slam cover of Luka, which was an awesome pull. I was wanting to pull this for a while. And then Trey Murphy III for our NBA Hoops pull right here. Not NBA Hoops, but our sweater pull. Can't talk. So thanks for joining, guys. This is an awesome unboxing. Definitely worth the value. I don't think there's any left actually on Taven items. They're all sold out. But if you can see them, pick them up if you can, if they're within range. Thanks for watching, guys. I'll catch you guys in the next video.